on you tomorrow.
So today is finally finished. Today's day one of the events. We had Tiger Archery in the morning, a 24-hour radiothon by Belfast FM. We've also had Litsock doing events. We've had puppy cuddling, and we've had full arms and hog. And I luckily got to record it all. So I don't know if this video even go up. If it does, it's probably not going to be a vlog because there's not going to be much of me talking, which is like what a usual vlog would be, but I guess a vlog is just a video log, and this will probably be a vlog of just the day. So far we've raised an insane amount of money for Pieta House. The book collections have gone down an absolute storm. My first vlog, which will be in the description, was of the first day, and today was the last day, which was the third day of book collections. So we're book collecting as well yesterday. Excuse the hot hair, that is brutal. I also look wrecked. Like, I came in at 9, it's about 9 o'clock now. Everybody in the team has worked insanely hard today. I just look like a piece of shit right now. So here's just what happened today. Fantastic cause. To donate to Pieta House, you can text all caps Pieta to 50300 to donate €2 to them.
You put your head up for the photos.
Also, the quality is 1,000 times better because I am on my Canon 100D rather than my GoPro, which is what my first vlog is on. So if I ever do a vlog, hopefully it'll be on this. And I've got that Casey Neistat cell, I've got the mic on top, I got a super nice lens, and I got my pretty sick Canon.